Did you know that planting the right crops in November could give you a jumpstart on your garden next year? While most gardeners are winding down, you could be gearing up for the most productive season yet. Curious! Stick around to find out which 25 crops you'd be silly not to plant this month. Hey, garden enthusiasts! If you're here, I know you're ready to get your hands dirty and make the most of your November garden. The truth is, November is more than just the start of winter. It's a time to get ahead and set yourself up for a bountiful season to come. From cold, hearty veggies to flavorful herbs, I've got you covered with 25 awesome crops you should be planting right now. Cool season veggies. Let's kick off with the veggies that thrive in cooler weather. Garlic? A must. Plant now, harvest next summer. Each clove becomes a full head. Onions, they love the cold. Plant sets or seeds for a sweet, early summer harvest. Spinach, quick to grow and loves the chill. You'll get tender, tasty leaves. Kale, the cold makes it sweeter. Plant now, and you'll harvest even through light frosts. Carrots, get these in the ground, and they'll grow slowly but steadily all winter. Quick tip. Remember to mulch lightly to protect these crops from severe frosts. Leafy greens. Now let's talk leafy greens. These are easy to grow and perfect for fall planting. Let us go for winter hardy varieties like Winter Density for a constant supply. Swiss chard, super resilient and keeps growing, even if you snip a few leaves. Mizuna, a mild, peppery Asian green that adds flavor to your salads. Arugula, love that zesty taste. Plant now and enjoy a spicy kick to your salads. Mustard greens, cold weather turns them mild and delicious. Root crops to plant in November. Don't forget the underground stars of the show root crops. Beets, plant now and you'll get a harvest of roots and tasty greens. Radishes, they're speedy growers. You can have a harvest in just 4 weeks. Turnips, super versatile, great for roots, and the greens are edible too. Parsnips, these will take their time, but they're worth the wait for a sweet, nutty flavor. Rutabagas, they're like a supersized turnip, perfect for soups and roasting. Herbs to plant now. How about some fresh herbs in the dead of winter? Plant these in containers and keep them close to your kitchen. Parsley, a hardy herb that survives frosts and keeps growing. Thyme, great for seasoning and withstands the cold well. Sage, perfect timing to have fresh sage for holiday dishes. Chives, plant these for a mild onion-like taste in your cooking. Cilantro loves cooler weather and grows fast. Perfect for salsa lovers. Specialty crops. And if you want to get really creative, try these specialty crops to level up your garden game. Broad beans, fava beans, plant now for an early spring harvest. They're a nitrogen-fixing crop too. Rhubarb, an old-fashioned favorite. Plant the crowns now, and next spring, they'll be ready to burst. Strawberries, yes, strawberries. Plant dormant crowns now for a head start on juicy berries next summer. Asparagus, a long-term investment, but it's worth it. Plant the crowns now, and by next year, you'll have spears ready to harvest. Horseradish, if you're looking for a little spice in your life, plant horseradish roots now. So there you have it. 25 awesome crops you should be planting in November. Trust me, don't let the cold stop you. Get out there and get these crops in the ground. Which one are you excited to plant? Let me know in the comments. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening goodness. Happy planting!